Hello everyone. This is the most repeated question in the Python interviews. Here the goal is to remove specific element without using any built-in functions like remove. Okay, here see, I'm telling you one thing and I'm suggest you one thing. Don't simply by heart this code, okay? Just try to understand the working flow of this code step by step. Here I'm going to explain with the step by step with every iteration. So don't skip the video till end. Okay? Here we have a list a equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 2 comma 4 comma 5. Here remove equal to 2. Here it means we will remove the 2 every 2 from this list. Okay, here I not equal to remove. Here if it is not equal to the 2, if it is not equal to the 2, then we will add it to the result. Others are other ones are we are going to skip it. Okay, here this is the explanation. We iter through each element in the list. If the element is not equal to remove, we add it to the result. After the loop result contains all the elements except the ones we want to remove. Okay. Now here iteration 1 I equal to 1 is I not equal to 2 true, right? So result dot append in the list in the empty list we will get 1 value. Iteration 2 I equal to 2, check here 2 not equal to 2 here false, right? So there is no append. Again result equal to 1 only, we are not going to update because it is false. Iteration 3 I equal to 3, check 3 is not equal to 2 true, right? Result dot append of 3, so now the result becomes 1 comma 3. Iteration 4 I equal to 2, again check here 2 not equal to 2 here false, right? So no append. Here result equal to 1 comma 3 only, we are not going to update again. Iteration 5 I equal to 4, 4 not equal to 2 here true, right? Then again result dot append of 4, so result equal to 1 comma 3 comma 4. Iteration 6 I equal to 5, here check 5 not equal to 2 true, right? So result dot append of 5. Now the result becomes result equal to 1 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5. Now here the final output is 1 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5. I hope you understand. So please subscribe the channel and do support me.